Did you know that Noesis has partnered with OutSystems since 2008? As a global partner of OutSystems, Noesis is consistently recognized for its deep expertise in 14 Innovation Awards, more than 500 OutSystems tech certifications, more than 150 projects delivered, and more than 15 years of experience. Discover our badges in different sectors. Manufacturing. This recognition highlights Noesis's outstanding track record in executing various transformational projects in the manufacturing area. Healthcare and Pharma. In 2021, Noesis won OutSystems Quality Apps badge for its outstanding project in the healthcare sector, demonstrating its experience as a trusted partner in the health and safety sector. Retail. In the field of retail and consumer goods, our OutSystems badges highlight our achievements: 2 OutSystems Innovation Awards, 2 Industry Excellence Awards, 1 OutSystems Quality App for high-quality applications, and more than 18 successfully completed projects. Logistics and transportation. Noesis was awarded a badge in transportation and logistics by OutSystems and has delivered more than 28 successful projects, each with its own triumph story. Blink and your app is ready. What are you waiting for? Contact us.